guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's finally the day that this is on my Etsy shop, and I finally found this material. And for now I only have this in white and black, and I have to say the white, I got the final last ones. They are not gonna reproduce this one, so what I have is the last stash they had. Okay, so the black one I still can reorder that one, but I do have a lot of stash right now. So yeah, in black and white, we notice this is the very last one. So this material I do use for all my, not all, but I use this lot of mini albums to cover up my spine, and I love this material. Look how this looks. It's shiny, it's fancy, it's looking like an embossed kind of thing. Do you see the shadow on here? Love it, and your spine will be nice for years. Alright, easy to use, very thin material, easy to glue on, tape, glue, anything. You can put this in the complete album. I only use this for the cover, but you can cover this with the complete all the way around. That's totally up to you. Love this one. Just a quick little video to show you that this is today online in my Etsy shop. And I already had a lot of stress this morning on how to add the shipping cost. Because of course one sheet shipping is very inexpensive, but if you order more, perhaps 10, then the shipping cost is more. So it was difficult for me to give it a good shipping amount. So it's already 11 o'clock, and so I spent already a few hours this morning how to do that in my Etsy shop, because yeah, normally a kit is just high enough for make a good shipping cost, but these items, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know how much you like these, but it's difficult. It was difficult for me to add this in my Etsy shop because I never did small items, light items. Alright, so I hope you like this. Give me a thumbs up if you like these covers, and if you like this video. just a little information video for you guys. So get to my Etsy shop if you like these. I do have an option because this how you call this? This factory, they make so much nice ones. And oh wait, well, do I have to show you that? No, I'm gonna give you not that all information. They have a lot of different ones, and I already chose a few nice ones that I really like to add in my Etsy shop too, and perhaps in the future in my kits, so you can use them already to see, to feel how it is. So, and if you like it, you can reorder more if you like. It's easy to ship if you order a kit, a few of these extra with it, so it's easy to ship for me to you guys. So that's why I added in my Etsy shop, that I can finally say where you can find these nice coated covers. Alright, enough babbling. I hope you like it. Test it out for yourself. Bye bye. Check my Etsy.